guys, thank you for joining us. My daughter's with me. This is Zoe, and today we're going to be making a vegan sour cream. Zoe, as you know, I've been a vegetarian since I was 18. Okay.
Yes.
We're going to do a homemade sour cream because that's one of the things that I really feel like I gave up because I grew up eating the all-American diet.
That is true. It has a ton of milk, so.
And I want to find a recipe that can mimic sour cream, and I believe this one will do it. Okay. So
okay, I'm excited.
So we're going to start with a couple of items. We've got raw cashews. We've got some lemon juice, some lime juice. We have a little bit of salt. We're not going to use the pepper here, and then we've got some filtered water, and we've got some chips here. We're just going to use the chips for to sample the sour cream. First, we're going to start with some raw cashews. This is about 12 ounces of raw cashews. Okay, so Zoe's going to put in some lemon juice. It's about 1.5 lemons. 1.5 lemons, the juice from 1.5 lemons. Okay, we also have lime juice. This is a little lighter in color. It looks really pretty. So this is about 1 large lime, the juice of 1 large lime. So why don't you go ahead and put that in there. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a little bit of water. We don't want to do too much because we don't want it too watery. So if you want to pour some of that in there, fill it up to about there, if you will. Okay, that's good. All right, so we need and then we need a pinch of salt. So if you want to do a pinch of salt, Zoe.
And we might add more later, so.
All right, so we blended this for probably 3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah, and guys, this looks great.
And we added another pinch or 2 of salt, just a little pinch.
Yeah.
Okay. What does it smell like?
It smells pretty good.
It smells like milk, actually.
Yeah. That smells really, really good. So this consistency is great. It doesn't look grainy at all, guys. This looks really good.
I wish it was a little thicker, but I think we added a little bit too much water. So this is the first time we've ever made this.
Okay. It is sweet.
It's very good, actually. Very, very, very good.
And I've been used to the sour cream here in Texas, and it definitely does do a really good job at tasting like sour cream. It does have that sour tanginess, and the salt really adds to it as well.
And it's smooth. It's very smooth, like sour cream.
Yeah.
Very good.
We gotta try this
On tacos.
Oh, okay.
All right, so that's how you make vegan sour cream. And I'm telling you, I don't think very many people are really going to know the difference if you pour this over tacos or nachos or something like that.
I might even put some taco seasoning because that's what I like to do. And also, if you do end up making this, please comment and let us know how you feel about it. So, thank you for watching.
All right, bye.